2021 Toyota Camry LE, 35,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unfiltered, unedited, off the cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. 35,000 miles, almost 36. Balance of factory warranty. Speaking of warranty, you can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. And when you're pre-approved, you come in, you like it, you love it, you leave with it. 15, 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day to do the paperwork. Seriously, when you're pre-approved, we have everything all typed up for you. You come in and say, yep. You leave with it, 15, 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day like the big dealerships. The big box stores, they play the hidden price games. They play the hidden fee games. Not us. You don't need to worry about all that garbage. That's what makes it nice and quick. You're not going to buy a car faster. Aluminum wheels, power seat, cloth seats. Got the big touch screen in it, steering wheel controls, the basics. Not a basic car, but not a loaded up car. America's best-selling car for I don't know how many decades now. Most reliable car. If you're going to buy one car to last you your whole life, this is the car. Let's see here. 2 owners, clear Carfax, third-party inspected. Let's talk about price. Now, I know you're going to find similar cars advertised for less money, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Why do I know this? Because I know the car business. I've been doing this for 30 years. Lots of dealers right now, since the car business is super competitive, they are advertising their vehicles at or below cost. One way to tell is you ask them to give you a grand total before you come in. You call them up, you email them and say, hey, I want a grand total. If they won't give you that grand total, it's because they have hidden fees. Not with us. The price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. The price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. I don't have the lowest prices, I have the most honest prices. So, what else can we tell you? Oh, we have hidden fees. Again, with the honest pricing. I do have a $145 doc fee. That's really low. It's disclosed. And if you tell Corey in finance that, hey, I saw in the video that I get a free documentation fee, we're even going to give that to you for free. So truly, the price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. That excludes state fees, government fees. We don't control those, and they vary from place to place. So yeah, let's recap. 2021 Toyota Camry LE, 35,000 miles, 2 owner, clear Carfax, third party inspected, reconned, fast financing, no hidden fees. The price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. Warranty. I call that the Autorama Advantage. Come and join us, folks.